So today I'm going to guide you through a daily stretch full body workout routine to help you relax and to release all the tension on your body and your mind. So if you're ready to throw your mat, let's do this together. By the way, I'm Hannah, the creator of the Moving Mango Method and also a certified Pilates teacher. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and pass along this channel to someone that you think it might help, because I want to share more free and professional full-length workout with a lot more people. Now if you're ready to throw your mat, let's do this together. Alright, now let's start by sit tall with your back in neutral, pull the belly button in. Feel free to bend your knees, open your legs if with the part. If it's easier for you to open the hips and to lengthen the spine. Hands on the knees, relax your shoulders. I want you to inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale deeply through your mouth. And focus on the breath here. Inhale. Exhale. And one more time with your own breath. And exhale deeply. Good. Bring your head to one side. Hold it here for a couple seconds. And slowly rotate your head. Look down to your shoulder. Come back to the opposite side. Do it slowly. Feel the side of your neck is stretching. Look down to your shoulder and slowly bring your head back to the center. That's good. Now start to rotate your head around your neck. You can close your eyes to feel how your body keep balance on your sitting bones. One more round, slowly, and reverse. Inhale halfway, exhale halfway. And last one. And slowly bring your head back to the center. Inhale, elevate your shoulders. Exhale, bring your shoulders towards the hips. And 5, you can open your eyes anytime if you want now. 3, 2, and last one. Interlace your fingers and reach your hands towards the front. Lift it up and bring it down. Lengthen your spine. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Lift it up, hold it here for a couple seconds, and bend your elbows slowly. Shoulders down, relax your shoulders here. Open your elbows wider. Relax your shoulders. Lengthen your arms to the side and bend. And 5, keep breathing. 4, belly button in. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, come back. 2, and last one, lengthen. Bring it back. Rotate your torso to one side, to the other side, back to the center. 5 more times each side with your own breath. Try to bring your elbows a little bit further so you feel your chest is open fully to that side. Feel your oblique twisting, and slightly pull the belly button in to support your lower back. Make sure you relax your shoulders and listen to your body. Lengthen your arms to the side again. Bring your arm towards the front and come back. Reach your hands as far as you can and bring it towards the front again and open. And 4, when you bring your arms to the side, feel like someone pulling your hands away from your shoulders. 2, that's amazing. And last one. Do it really slowly with your own pace and bring your hands down. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions. And reverse. Good. Open your arms to the side again. Relax your shoulders. Inhale, lean on one side. Try to reach your hands further as far as you can. Listen to your body. Pull the belly button in to support your lower back. Bring it back to the other side. So you don't have to hold a position for so long. Just to the point you start to feel like it go to your limit. And then come back. one more time to the opposite side. And bring it back to the center, to the other side. And back to the center. Good. Alright, now bring your hands towards the chest, to the front of your chest. Open your elbows all the way back. Push your chest forward, arch your back. And round your spine, chin your chest. And 5. Come back. 4, belly button in. Relax your shoulders. Good. And 2, inhale. And exhale, round. Last one. And slowly bring your hands on your knees. Shake your hips, inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Interlace your fingers and reach all the way up. And exhale down. Good. Couple more times with your own breath. 4. Stretch your stomach. Your shoulders down with your arms. And your chest down as well. Last one. And slowly bring your hands on your knees again. Shake your hips, inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Along the mat. And bend your knees. Open your legs with hip width apart. Open your arms to the front, palms facing towards each other, shoulders down, and start to reach one hand forward. Come back to the opposite side. Feel like imagining like you're pulling a rope or something just towards your body. Keep breathing. Try to go all the way. Come back. But listen to your body and don't have to bring your torso so far. Just only to the part that you feel good on your body. Good. And last one, inhale. And exhale to the opposite side and slowly bring it back. Hands to the front, palms facing down. Move your elbows all the way back. And then lengthen. And 5. Good. Slowly. 4. Relax your shoulders. 3. And 2. Look towards the front. Lengthen your neck. And slowly bring your hands to the back. Interlace your finger. Lengthen your arms. Lift your arms up and down for 5. 4. 3, 2, and last one, lift and down. Good. Bend your elbows. Bring your hand just behind your lower back and your middle, and then close your elbows towards the front. Hold it here for 5, 4. Relax your shoulders down. 3, 2, and last one. Slowly shake your hands, shake your wrist. Rotate the wrist and then reverse. Good. Now I want you to lengthen your legs, flex the ankle, and feel free to soften your knees if it's easier for you. Bring your arms to the front. Now I wanted to inhale, slowly, slightly move forward, but only to the point that you feel good on your lower back. So you can either keep your lower back here and move your upper spine, so that way you feel the upper spine is lengthening, or you can go all the way to feel your lower back are stretching as well. So just really listen to your body. Again, don't go so far to the point that you feel uncomfortable. We don't want to feel uncomfortable in this movement, in this stretching routine. We just want to feel comfortable and relax. Exhale, reach. Inhale, bring it back. If you feel flexible enough, but also feel good on your lower back, just reach as far as you can and then come back, shoulders down. And 5, keep breathing. 4, belly button in. 3, and 2 more times with your own breath. And last one, and slowly bring your hands down, shake your hips, inhale deeply, bring your hands behind your hips. Now I want you to inhale and bend your knees. Open your elbow to the back, pull the belly button in and push your chest up. Shoulders down, lean backward. You can bring your chin to the chest here. And then look just to the front and then down and up for 3 slightly and gentle movement. And last one, and slowly lengthen your arms. Try to push your hands down, really lengthen those arms so you're gonna feel your shoulders, your arms are stretching, your chest are stretching and open. And slowly bend your elbows again, move backward. Feel your arms, feel so good right now. And slowly bring your hands down, hug your knees to your chest, shake your hips, inhale deeply to your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Good, and when you're ready, I want you to lengthen your spine, lengthen your opposite leg, flex the ankle, and hug your shin with both hands. So you can always engage your core, lift your foot off the mat. Go a little bit further, just press your opposite heel down to the mat. So engage your core, and then bring it back. Just slightly movement here for 5. Good, keep breathing. 4, belly button in. 3, press your heel down, and 2, and last one, and slowly bring it back. Extend the ankle, open your leg as wide as you can, use your hand to push back, so kind of like open as far as you can, and totally listen to your body, narrow the angle if it's more comfortable for you. So again, listen to your body, hold it here for 3, 2, and last one, reach your hand to the opposite side. Use your hand to push on your knee, but again, listen to your body. Move your knee towards the body if it's more comfortable for you. And slowly come back to the opposite side. Again, flex the ankle, press your heel down, hug your shin with both hands, and round and lengthen. Move backward, open your elbows. Try to go a little bit further so you really feel it on your whole back here. Your whole spine is lengthening, and slowly bring your feet down. Open your leg as wide as you can. Just hold it here and reach your hand to the opposite side. So listen to your body and slowly bring your whole feet back to the center. Hug your knees to your chest, shake your hips, inhale deeply to your nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. Alright, now I wanted to allow yourself to open your feet further and your knees to the side. Slowly round your spine, walk your hands towards the ankle. And you can even go further away if you feel comfortable enough. Keep your feet towards the hips and then go all the way. And again, listen to your body. Bring one arm back, reach towards the back. Bring it back to the opposite side. And slowly back to the center. Walk your hands to the feet. Good. One knee to the front, one leg towards the back. Your whole torso down. Hold it here for a couple more seconds. Feel your hip is stretching on one side. Hold it here and shake your hips a little bit to even feel more stretch and feel satisfied here. To the opposite side. Hold it here for a couple seconds. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. One more deep breath. Shake your hips slightly and gently, and slowly bring your feet back or come to try pose. Inhale deeply through your nose, shake your hips. Exhale deeply through your mouth. Go to on four position. I want you to inhale and start to bring your shoulders down and lift without arching your back. So 10, 9, 8. Keep breathing. 7, 6, and 5, 4. Belly button in. 3, 2, and last one. Good. And now slowly arch your back, shoulders down, look towards the front. And chin to chest, belly button in, cat and cow. Come back, inhale. And exhale, round your spine. And inhale, arch your back again. And round. And 2. Come back. And last one. And bring it back and slowly back to the center. Shake your hips, wag your hips to one side to the opposite side. Like a tail from a little lion. Good, keep breathing for 3, 2, and last one, and slowly bring your hips back to the center. Now I want you to inhale and round your spine. Bring your hips to one side, to the opposite side, articulate your spine. So like we using the hips to draw a circle here. We arching your back and then round your spine. Bring your hips to the opposite side. And 2. Last one, lengthen your neck and slowly reverse. So just let your whole body move gently and naturally here. Rotate your hips and 2. And last one is slowly bring your hips down to the mat. Shake your hips, inhale deeply to your nose and exhale deeply to your mouth. And when you're ready, just move your knees towards the center. Lengthen your leg and put your whole forearm down. Move your heel backward and then come back for 5, 4. Feel the back of your shin is stretching, your calf is stretching. And last one, and slowly put it back. Hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Knee bend to the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Move backward. Hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Extend the ankle. Open your knee wider and try to go as far as you can. Listen to your body. Keep your shoulders far away from your ears. Come back to the opposite side. And slowly bring it back to the center. Shake your hips, inhale deeply to your nose. Come to try pose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath. Exhale. When you're ready, allow yourself to sit up. Alright, and now relax your hands on your knees. Open your legs again anytime if it's easier for you to open the hips. Now relax your shoulders and start to bring your hips from left to right. Inhale deeply to your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Open your arms to the side. Reach your hand to one side, to the opposite side. Come back in 5, 4. Belly button in. 3, 2, and last one. And slowly bring your torso back to the center, hands down. Shake your hips, inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Interlace your fingers to the front of your chest. Lift your elbows up. Push your hand to one side. Try to push as far as you can so you really feel your arm and your shoulder is stretching right now. To the opposite side. Hold it here for a couple more seconds. And slowly bring your hands back to the center. Open your arms, palms facing up. Try to reach as far as you can and flex the wrist. And extend. Down. And flex up. And down. And 3, 2. Lengthen your arms. Relax your shoulders. Last one. And slowly bring your hands down. Shake your hips. Rotate one side of your shoulders fully to 4 directions. Good. And reverse. To the other side. And reverse. And slowly bring your hands down, shake your hips, bring your head to one side. Use your hand to pull your head a little bit further. Hold it here for 5, 4. You can reach your opposite hand further away as well. And slowly bring your head back to the center, to the other side. And you can reach your hand as well. And slowly bring your head back to the center. Shake your hips, inhale deeply to your nose. Exhale deeply through your mouth. Close your eyes, lengthen your spine. Inhale. Focus on the breath. Exhale deeply. Now you can start to bring your breath back to inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose here. Deeply still. Inhale. And exhale. Lengthen your spine. One more deep breath. Exhale deeply. And open your eyes when you're ready. And that's the workout for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm going to see you tomorrow for the next workout. Bye bye.